Understanding well-drained soil, a guide for gardeners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into a phrase that's crucial for gardeners and plant enthusiasts: well-drained soil. Understanding this concept is key to ensuring the health and growth of your plants. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can ensure your soil meets this important criterion. Well-drained soil refers to the type of soil that allows water to permeate through it at a steady pace. It doesn't hold onto water for too long, which prevents the roots of plants from sitting in water. This is crucial because roots need air as well as water to thrive. If the soil is too wet for too long, it can lead to root rot and other harmful conditions for the plant. In this section, we'll discuss why well-drained soil is so important for plants. Well-drained soil ensures that oxygen can reach the roots, which is as crucial as water for plant health. Nutrients are more readily available and not washed away by excess water. The risk of root diseases is significantly reduced, leading to healthier plants. Well-drained soil has specific characteristics. It is often rich in organic matter, which helps in retaining the right amount of moisture. Has a loose and crumbly texture, allowing roots to spread easily. Allows water to soak in and then drain away in a reasonable time, typically within a few hours. If your soil isn't well drained, don't worry. Here are some tips to improve its drainage. Add organic matter. Compost or aged manure can improve the texture and drainage of the soil. Create raised beds. This elevates the soil, allowing for better drainage. Install drainage systems. In extremely soggy areas, consider installing French drains or similar systems. Well-drained soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. By understanding what it is and how to achieve it, you're on your way to nurturing thriving plants. We hope this video helps you in your gardening journey. Remember, a little effort in preparing your soil can lead to flourishing plants and a beautiful garden. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.